Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 BMW X6. So from any screen, we're on sat nav at the moment, but you've got media, menu, telephone, nav, option and back. If we go to menu and then just turn the eye control here to telephone, click telephone. Over here, it's on the split screen at the moment. And you don't exactly get to see what you need to see because of the split screen. So if I knock it over to the split screen, you've got split screen display there when that's highlighted. Click on split screen display, easy for me to say. And then I'll just go entertainment details, split screen off. So Barry's iPhone. If I knock over there like that, now split screen, you can select, but the most important thing is Barry's iPhone 12 here. We go down, configure device or remove device from list. So if you're actually displaying something over on the split screen, you won't see that little menu. So you have to knock the split screen off and go back over. That's how you delete a mobile. It can be confusing, and I probably didn't make it any better then.